Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a set of speakers from EDIFIER. These are the MR4 studio speakers on black studio monitor speakers. This is the design right here on the box. As you can see, the box is quite bulky and I cannot move it around too much, but we have some specs right here on the side. So for woofers, silk film tweeter, wooden enclosure, it's actually made of NDF to avoid vibration, dual mode, TRS input, RCA input, and headphone output, obviously for that monitoring mode. We got some features like here in English and different languages, smooth frequency response, 1-inch silk dome tweeters, MDF wooden cabinets, simple connection to mixers, front-mounted headphone output and aux input for convenience, multifunction dial for power, volume and sound effects, monitor music modes to fit various scenarios. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna open it, I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside. After that we are going to set it up to my PC and we're going to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. Obviously we get the main units, but we're gonna come back to them in a second. We get an instruction manual right here, user guide with pictures. It tells you what everything does and how to connect it. I would suggest to give this a quick read just to be on the safe side before installing the speakers. They have also included a 3.5mm aux cable to 3.5mm aux, so you can plug different headsets in it, used for monitoring, which is really nice because some of the headset manufacturers don't include this, so it's always nice to have a spare. We have the cable that will connect from the 3.5mm output source, so this can be either your dedicated music device or it can be your computer, laptop, stuff like that, and it's color coded. This will connect to the main speaker. The right one, which is active, also has the power. And we have the cable that will connect the active speaker to the passive speaker. The left one is passive, so power and audio signal will travel through this cable from this speaker to this one. As you can see, the left speaker only has these two inputs right here for this cable, while the right speaker, if I just turn it around quick, the right speaker has many more stuff. Obviously have that speaker out, left speaker out inputs right here to connect this cable, but it also has TRS input left and right to connect more professional audio devices. It has the left and right connection for the cable that I just showed you. It's color coded, so you can't go wrong. And we have some bass adjustment knobs right here, so the low bass and the high bass, you can adjust it with this dials right here, and obviously once it's on 0 it will click into place, so we know you got the right position. On the front of the right speaker we have this gain knob, which also clicks with every volume step, which is nice. We have some instructions right here. So if you click once, it's for music. If you press for a second or so, it will be for monitor. So that's nice to know. We have an aux cable output and a headphone output, so you can plug in your headphones or your other aux devices. I like the design a lot. They feel really good. They have a good weight to it. They feel really good quality. They're not hollow on the inside. They sound like literally full. I like this carbon fiber design on the speaker, on the front of the speaker. They both had it. It looks really great in my opinion. So yeah, I will go ahead now and install it to my PC, which is right here. And we're gonna give it a quick sound test. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so as you can see, I already set up the speakers on my desk. One is over there to the right and the other one is behind the monitor to the left. It's the only place I could have put it because the monitors I'm using, they use a lot of space. Everything works fine. It's connected directly to my PC, which is under the desk. The volume knob right here, it will show you green when it's on music, and if you click it once it will show red for audio monitoring, but obviously in our scenario we're gonna keep it on green to music. The speakers look great, they sound great. I already tested them, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick test here with some royalty free music. So if we play this, and that was 50% volume. Let's go ahead now and increase it to 100%. So if we go again to the video and press play, I love the fact that even at 100% volume there is no sound distortion. These speakers are great. Edifier makes great speakers and audio devices. You guys should check them out. If you guys want to buy these speakers, I'm gonna have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.